Hello everybody. So tonight we're starting with comparing recently restored Nakamichi Dragon in like new condition. I will be comparing with my Nakamichi 680, and then we will also verify the recording quality using Akai 9100. So let's check how they perform. I didn't listen to it on the speakers yet myself, so let's start from the Nakamichi 680. It's tape recorded on Akai 9100 and group is Blues Company. Enjoy the sound. Then I will switch to the Dragon same tape. Okay, now let's rewind and let's listen how it will sound on the Dragon. Switching to the Dragon. Wow, this was good. You hear yourself, so the automatic azimuth did play well. Now let's check the tape recorded on the Sony deck. Okay, let's see how it will play on the 680.
Didn't you say you'd take me down to Mexico, San Antonio, or over to the Sunshine State? Didn't you say you'd take me where the wild geese go, to Ontario, or on to
Yeah, it was much better. I'm quite not sure why Akai recording will sound such different. Okay, let's try here.
It doesn't really matter just as long as we can be together, you and I. Baby, we can reach the sky. Deep inside, I think I've known it all along. And I wasn't wrong to say you are all talk.
this was cool. Let's fast forward to the different song and then try reverse mode. You see how quietly it works? I can barely hear that it's fast forward or rewind.
He sits down in your chair and he shouts with joy, and he lays down his head on your pillow at night. I'm just a ghost
And reverse.
how much I care. Dreams give me back all my dreams. My heart, why did you break my heart? I remember the times when you were here, my dear. Now I will sing the song for you, this lovely song of me and you. Was there more I could have done? Was I not meant to be the one? This song is all for you.
Okay, I believe this was perfect. See how quick and quiet. I'm just excited. So I believe in this condition, now services this deck worth like 10k easily. Alright, here is a tape. Now, let's try recording. Okay, installing 2 tapes. Calibration. Alright. Let's calibrate this deck. The text tape. A minor difference, half decibels, that's fine. Okay, good. Dividing back. Now this tape. I will turn it off, turn it both. Okay, 400 gears works. 15 kilogears to adjusting bias. No, bias azimuth. See, it's still blinking. Done. Now we can adjust. Alright, good. Reset. Okay, so 70 microseconds, ready to record. I was thinking what we will be recording. I decided we will go with the same song, Blues Company, to listen guitars, high frequencies and high everything will be recorded. Now switching to the 680 and enjoy recording. Now Dragon. Сексети. Dragon. Wow, that's the best Dragon I've heard. Let's try Diana.
I'm traveling light because my man has gone. So from now on, I'm traveling light. He said goodbye and took my heart away. So from today, I'm traveling light. No one to see. I'm free as the breeze. No one but me.
680.
Me and my memories. Some lucky night he may come back again, but until then,
Dragon.
I'm traveling light.
Okay, this is just wow. And let's try something more modern, like Marcus Soul. Safety. Wow. I believe this Dragon, like the most high frequency recording device I've tried. Like even like my 9100 from Akai, it's let's see how it will play. Let's, for example, rewind a little bit first and swap the tapes. Okay, that's the Dragon tape installing the 680. Okay, and reverse. Okay, cool. Rewinding a little bit on both, so it's 680 tape. And it's Dragon tape. Installing Dragon tape into OK. Let me switch. Okay, now let's try 680 tape. Okay, I believe it's successful. My thoughts, that's the best machine. I never heard so much high frequencies from the any tape deck. Really, it tunes well and it plays well. I'm excited. The only thing that 680 has a little bit different sound, right? When I was switching, I mentioned that 680 plays a little bit more warm, but difference was really minimal. Okay, that would be it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. New Dragon is a beast. Thank you. Bye-bye.